Finn, you'll be right. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. We are back anchored out the front of Airlie Beach for a while and getting ready to go to Woodwark Bay. We finally managed to find some decent fish and do normal boat stuff. I've just shown Vinny how to shade with the pencil sharpenings. And Ren, what are you doing? Oh.
Laura's been splicing some ropes, so she made a new rope for the front of the dinghy.
It's a bit rough out here.
And now she's just doing the ropes on the sides. I bet this is what we do when it's sleep time. So we put him in there, she's just got to do it.
Ren's having a sleep.
Just got all of the shopping.
Kids' hat on.
Alright.
Watch back, step back, Vin. Step back, Bubby, that's it.
Having a bit of a go.
Yeah, it's going, yeah? Oh, I can see silver. Oh, seriously.
No?
No?
Big like.
Oh, get it up, bud. Hang on.
So we were just pulling into Woodwark Bay. Nice little spot here. And what happened?
You let a fish go.
Laura's very annoyed at me. We've got a bit of a schmozzle going on down here. We got a big Gold Spot Cod. I don't know, would have been, I don't know, maybe a 15 kilo fish. How heavy do you reckon it would have been? Anyway, it's got the hooks out and it took off. They're a slippery sucker. Got some spikes in the knee on its way out. Anyway, saved us debating over whether we were going to let it go or not, I guess.
Babe. Look.
So we missed all of the action, but Laura so we just trawled from like there, our boat, all the way around this way. And we're just coming back this way. And Laura just caught this. It's a big fish. It would be 50-60 centimetres.
I'm so happy.
It will be so good!
What do you reckon?
It will be so good!
So good. What do you reckon, Ben?
Yeah.
Fish?
Yeah.
What a stonker.
It's a monster. 66 centimetres.
What a beast. Look at those teeth. Ren,
What do you reckon, Ren?
this is a 66 centimetre trout that Laura caught earlier today. And this is the belly and the wings marinated in Asian style chili.
We've already been eating it. And what have we got over here and over here? I've already served.
Shark mackerel.
Shark mackerel.
The trout's like so good.
It's delicious.
Thought you might like to include it in your video. This is why I thought it wasn't working very well. That was literally blocking it.
So even though this is super gross, this is a perfect representation of boat life. One day you are catching awesome fish and doing cool things, and the next you're cleaning out the macerator because the toilet's not working properly. Sorry guys, now back to the cool fish part. I think I'm gonna go fishing.
What have we got here, babe?
Another coral trout. I'm so excited.
Ben, what is it? What is it, Ren?
Oh, good girl.
There we go.
Not as big as yesterday.
Not as big as yesterday, but still, I reckon 50 centimetres though.
Perfect eating size.
And it gave Laura a bit of a razz.
Can we have
Trout. Explain to me what's going on here, Dion.
Well, Laura caught a coral trout a couple of hours ago. and now it's fish and chips. This is the wings and belly. We found that if you cut the wings and the belly out, we baked it last night and it was delish.
This is a bit of fish skin. So you chop it into strips and then flour it and then fry it in some really hot oil. And it's like a pork belly.
Yeah, like crackling.
Oh, crackling, I mean. And here is pieces of trout. Delicious. We've got some chips over here. And Dion's made some of our tartare sauce. Yum.
Vinny's just building Ren a cubby house.
It's made out of wood cubby house.
What is it, Vin?
It's a wood cubby house.
Say that again.
Hey, how look at those bugs?
Oh, the bug. What's happening here, Vin?
There's so many bugs all on the two cats.
Just having a bit of a chill day today. Just went to the beach this morning. Wore the kids out. Ren fell out of a tree. Scratched her tummy. And what do we got here, babe?
This is mackerel.
And I needed some help out of the ivories.
Vinny needed help out of the tree. Yep.
Just a mackerel poke bowl.
So it's raw mackerel marinated in soy, sesame oil, pepper. We've got avocado, tomato, coriander, onion, vermicelli noodles, lettuce, carrot. I think that's it. Delicious.
Laura's just got back to the boat. She's been out fishing in the little dinghy. And third fish in 3 days. I think this one's the biggest one.
No, I reckon the trout was the biggest one.
No, this is bigger than the trout.
What?
Yeah.
It fought really hard. Like, you should have seen me. I was like out there by myself and I'm like, I turned the engine off with my toe like this. Turned off with my toe.
Show us what you did.
I went like this. Turned it off. And then I was like, the fish was dragging me, like it was going sideways and I was like winding it like this. And it was like, it fought harder than the trouts. Literally, I was like, I was like shaking. I was like,
Good effort. That would be like,
yeah.
I don't know, 5 kilo, do you reckon?
I have no idea.
Oh no, it's pretty big.
And I didn't get to use the net because it was like bolting as soon as I got to the thing. So I wound the leader around my hand and just like bucked it in and like smacked it on the ground, put the net over it and then rang dad and it was in the case so I couldn't even talk to him and he like ended up hanging up on me and I'm like, I just got to get back to the boat. Anyway, it's exciting.
Same spot. What is it?
Anyway.
A fish?
Yeah.
Ren's just woken up from her nap.
Hop down, Ren. We're going to come in the boat now.
Yeah, I'll take a photo now. Oh no, I wasn't videoing at all. Hold it up. I think so, I don't know.
Are you videoing or
I'm
not?
videoing now.
Look at his tongue.
This video would say, look what's going on here.
Well, I was just about to have a shower and I thought, why would I do that when I can go fishing? It's raining. So I gotta put my goggles on. Fish wraps. Freshly caught coral trout from 2 days ago.
Yum.
We have
Really
got
good.
fire, baby.
We got fire baby, you reckon?
What's our job for today?
We're going to do 5 million washings.
Excellent.
So we've just come from Woodwark Bay. Been there about a week-ish or something. I don't know, maybe a couple of days. Anyway, we've got some washing to do.
So we went and got fuel.
Water.
No, water I mean. We went into the marina at the public dock and got water.
Do you want me to try this again?
Take 2.
Take 2. So this is how we do washing on the boat when we don't have a washing machine or much water. So we do it at a laundromat.
Got a big clothes bag full of washing here.
So it can go out of it. No!
What's going on with this thing.
You ready to go?
Oh, turn it off.
Check it out. See what?
Ren, are you ready to go? Yeah? You got your scissors, awesome. Nice one. We've got the pram, we've got the cart, we've got extra dry bags for when the washing's clean and dry.
Beep, 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 beep,
Hey Ben, thumbs up.
beep.
Yeah.
You be careful, miss, because there's no fence.
Do you want the pram?
I think we're at max capacity. How do you want to do this?
I don't know.
Children first.
Any casualties?
Oh, just nothing major.
Her thumb just fell in the water, but that's alright. Jumping. Alright, we've got the washing convoy going.
Here's Laura, pre-cleaning.
It's disgusting.
We didn't really video much because we went shopping and then we did the washing and then we did the things and then we got the gas and then we got food and then we went to the bottle shop and then the kids are going crazy and then...
And I forgot to film. But anyway, we've done the washing and we're walking back now. Oh, I've crashed. Watch out, Ren, you're hitting the...
Anyway, we just got back.
Oh.
So we should have videoed that.
I know, right?
We've unloaded the boat.
It's
The
like
children are inside.
everything.
It's empty. And yeah, this is what a mission. People probably don't believe us, but actually it was. Nice way to end a long day of travelling, provisioning, washing, cleaning up. Just a nice bowl of stew. And the baby.